Oh la la, welcome back, my wonderful Galaxy Watch 4 people. I know, some of you have not gotten the update for your LTE version yet. Fully aware of the circumstances here, there are two reasons why I created this video for you today. The obvious one is to tell you guys that one of you has discovered a timeline for the upcoming update. However, the second one is I want Samsung to know that they need to fix this. If you have a Galaxy Watch 4 LTE and spend more money than any other Galaxy Watch 4 owner, you will find yourself two updates behind. Yes, two updates behind, meaning a Galaxy Watch 4 Bluetooth/Wi-Fi only owner is two updates ahead of us. And of course, these circumstances create frustration amongst the top spender of a Samsung product. I understand, and it's fair to say we all understand, that there is this network carrier component involved. But other major companies, in particular the other big one, they have no issues with their network carriers, and they can roll out any software update worldwide at the same time for their products. And let me tell you, many people are still waiting for a fix. Let it be as simple as the always on display. There are so many complaints about that update that is still rocking the LTE version. It needs to be done, and the list goes on. So if you are one of those people who are desperately waiting for the latest update or for the next update for your Galaxy Watch 4 LTE version, let me know. Let Samsung know, and let your network carrier know. That is important. We gotta make some noise. Now, one of you discovered something really interesting when looking at a software update list for a Canadian network carrier. The list contains of several products, including the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm and 44mm. And this particular list includes timelines for the next update, which is called Security Update and Optimization. And I'm going to put this up right now here on the screen for you to look at. It is pretty important. It is scheduled for April 19th. You can see this here amongst other products. You will see the Galaxy Watch 4 40mm and 44mm, and it will start to roll out next week. And although this is for Canada, I don't see why it will not roll out worldwide.